Hi everyone, so we'll do unboxing for the Mrudhu Electronics Arduino Uno starter kit, which is a 3 version. Okay. So we have two variants, one is a DIP version, another one is a SMD version. So the main difference between these two is the board. So this is a SMD variant, which is non-removable IC. Okay, and here we have DIP version, which is a removable IC. Apart from this, there is no difference between the other components. Rest all the components will remain same. Okay, so based on your wish, you can purchase the variants. So we'll come with the card. So we will get more than the component that is being displayed here. So I'll explain one by one. And if you want a guide how to set up an Arduino and want to know the video and the documents for the documents and codes to do experiments, you can go to mrudhuelectronics.com and go to top right corner. There is a Arduino setup button. So when you click that, you will have instructions on how to set up. Also you will have a project's codes too. Okay, or you can scan it and directly send it. It will navigate to the website. If you have any suggestions or query, you can mail us at support@mrudhuelectronics.com. Okay, let's go for the unboxing. The main component is Arduino Uno board. This is a DIP variant, and here it is RGB module. This is IR remote, and here you have HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor. Okay, you can use for distance measuring. This is an RFID kit. Okay, it has access card and module and a chain. Okay, we will do experiment with this and later. This is a dot matrix with a driver. Okay, this is a dot matrix and this is a driver. Okay, so you will get this, and this is a flame sensor module. Okay, and this is a prototype shield for expansion board. You have a mini breadboard also. You can see this. This is a humidity sensor or also temperature sensor, you can call. This is DHT11. This is stepper motor. Okay, so you have a driver for this. So this is a driver ULN2003. This is 4-digit 7-segment display. You have 4 digits. This is single digit 7-segment display. So you will get an IC which is 74HS595. Okay, this is an IC, and this is a 10K potentiometer. So here you will get 15 LEDs. So each color is a 5 LEDs, and you will have a tactical switch, which is a button switch. This you will have 5 button switches, and you will have a ceramic capacitor as well. So even this you will get 5. Each has 5 quantities. So you have 3 colors of LED. And this is a programming cable for Uno R3, where we will connect it and we'll do programming for this. Okay, this is one side is a USB, you can connect to your systems, and other side is for the Arduino board. This is a A to B board, A to B cable. This is a battery snap. Again, you can connect it to Arduino board to power up, and you can connect a battery, 9-volt battery this side, so the board will run. This is SG90 micro servo motor. Okay, this is LCD, 16x2 LCD, which comes with along with the I2C. This is an I2C, so which is a solid version. So in this you will get a relay module. So this is 10 volt 10 amps relay. Okay, not a module, this is a relay. This is 555 timer IC. This is a capacitor, you will get 2 quantities. This is 557. This is PNP type transistor. Okay, we have NPN type also. We'll show in another port. So this is a two-way switch. Okay, you will have two quantities. In transistors you will have 5 quantities. So the transistor which I showed is 557. So this is 547. Okay, this is NPN type. Okay, this is NPN type, and this is a buzzer, passive buzzer, and this is vibration sensor SW18020. So the vibration sensor can be 18015, so it depends on the variable type. It doesn't matter much. This is LDR, light dependent resistor. Okay, you will have two quantities, and this is a IR receiving head. So using remote we will send a signal and this will receive, and we will process using this. And here we comes to resistors and diodes. So we have two diode. Okay, and we have 5 type of resistors. This is more than 4 types of resistors you will be getting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Actually we got 35 resistors here, which is of 5. Each has 5 resistors. Okay, so we promised to give 4, but we are giving more than 4. So these are jumper cables. So these are female to female jumper cable, and this is male to male jumper cable, and this is male to female jumper cable. Okay, this is male header pin 1x40, and this is a breadboard. Okay, GL840 breadboard. So if you want to order this, we will share the link in the description, and thanks for watching.